We'll guide you through how to turn on or off screen time on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone. So screen time can go and tell you how much time you go and spend on your iPhone overall, and it'll break down the different apps, etc. And you can go and have this turn on or turn off. It can be useful to track, but it can go and get annoying if you aren't interested. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what we need to do first of all is go and open up the settings on the iPhone. Now what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down. You need to find the option for screen time. Now it's not always that obvious because a part of screen time is other different settings which are to do with it. But to focus on actually getting the actual screen time, you need to go into app and website activity. So first of all, we're going to turn it on. I'll show you turning off in a moment. Enter in the screen time passcode if one's been set, or get the person who does to enter it who knows it. Then press turn on, and that's it. Now you're going to go and see your screen time at the top here. There it is there, and you can then go and start tracking your different time, and you can see more by pressing see all. But if you decide you want to turn it off, scroll right to the bottom and press turn off app and website activity, and it will then go and be turned off. That's it.